Guys, last night Money Matters was epic. We had the expertise of Dan Theoc, licensed broker from Mayberry Investment Limited, that was on as our co-host, looking at MJE, which is Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, that presently it said has 26 listed companies in it. And you know, the top ones were like Supreme Ventures, Derrimont Trading, Cement Company, right? Main Events Group. And what is funny, I'm actually going to look to see what the demand is in the queue for main events. So here we go. I'm going to flick to the screen, and this is where the sign-in is done, right? We are on JTrader Pro, all right? As you see, it goes there. Right, so why are we getting this? Alright, this more look like a screenshot. No, it's not. Let me see. What does that mean? And see if it take me right. And okay, well, let me look at at the queue for we have some active funds on the account, but pretty much you're going to focus over there. The system seems to be moving a little bit slow, right? But that's pretty much what. All right, let me see if I can view the market, but it's taking me back out. So let's see where the problem is. Yeah, let's run over it again and see what happens. Let's run over it. Let's run over it. So we are going in. Remember, we were brought up to speed. Yes, so we're going to focus on this side. Let us see now. We're going to pick up main events. So we go on this side. Activities, main events. All right. I don't understand why I don't click. But all right. I wanted the market. So market is open. We can see all of that right now. But what we are interested in now is main events. It's on the junior market. So we go from main events. So it's going down there. And we're going to pick up main events because main events has been doing quite a bit of things. So main events has not traded since morning. And when we talk about a strong buy queue, this is exactly what we mean. So you see, buyers, look at the length of the buy queue, right? And look at the length of the sell queue. So few people who want to sell, but look at the buy, look at the demand, the buy demand for main events, right? So zero volume has traded since morning because buyers at $4.06. Yep, sellers at $4. Lowest 55. So we saw where things closed yesterday. We saw all of that. But since morning, market open. We also spoke about Supreme. So let us up over and go to navigate and go to Supreme. Supreme is on the main market. So Supreme, that's another one in the MJE. So Supreme. So remember, what Dan spoke about. This is Supreme, right? We're carrying on. Now, this is what you call a very active company. See it there? Buy Q, heavy. Sell Q, heavy. Because the sellers, they want to reap some benefits, some capital gains. They want to take off. And the buyers are saying that I want to get into this stock, but I am not paying more than $17.60 at the highest. And sellers saying, you're not going to get mine for less than $17.90. So two parties have to agree in order for a trade to take place. So the most important one though that we have to look at is the one that we dealt with last night. So again, review the market. And as we spoke about these things, you see, we have to look back at the MJE because that was the topic of our thing last night. So we're going to see what MJE is, our main market stock, and we're going to go and flip right on it now to see exactly where we are. Right? So here we flip back over and we say, remember, as a matter of fact, he spoke about JMB, and when he spoke about JMB, this is exactly what is happening with JMB. Right? It's up 6 cents since morning. But take note, 32.70, and remember exactly what he said about where JMB should be. All right, but remember now, we're going on to MJE. All right, this is the stock, 727.99. All right, this is where we're going. Now, look at this. 52,000 volumes traded since morning. Sellers want to sell at $7.99. Remember, this stock closed yesterday at $8.12. But you see what happens when you have big volumes. Man with a big volume can strike a deal. So right now we are looking at the best buy. Person want to buy at $7.20. 7.20, but the seller is saying you have to give me $7.99, right? $7.99. So that's what you call it. Buy Q, sell Q as you go along. So this is the excitement of what last night Money Matters Monday was triggered on. This entity, MJE, right? MJE, if you look at the mapping over the last couple of days, look at it. So we will show you the volume, we'll show you the price. Look here now, it goes. Look at the chart, as you can see, right? Look at that, 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 and look here, look here. That's exactly how it is done. So it means that, as Dan said, this stock deserve a better pricing because the NAV, which is the net asset value, is over $10. And right now, this stock is last trade. Our best buy is $7.20, which means that you have roughly $2.80 to play with at minimum. Yeah. So this is our live market at this time. Remember, Supreme Ventures is heavy top 5 into this fund. Cement company in the top 5 of this fund. Derrimont Trading into this top 5 of this fund. So it just goes to show the level. Remember, Grace is also in this fund. So you have been demanding more of Mr. Dan Theoc. All right, I will figure out exactly what is what with that. So this was your morning take of preview to come as we recap last night and show you live action on the Jamaica Stock Exchange J Trader Pro trading platform, because we have declared interest. Supreme Venture have a heavy stake in it. We have declared interest, all right, in the MJE, right?